braiding pattern. I have 9 braids in the front, or 9 rows in the front for a more individual look. And then this is just the back of my hair. I'm trying to show my hair slower because some people ask, can I slow down when I'm showing my hair? So there we go. So the hair that I'll be using today is by Outre, and this is their Twisted Up brand, and it is the Boho Island Twist 3X, which is in the color CT25. I feel like I should have stuck with my 33. It's kind of tight a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the front first. So if I run out of hair, the front of my hair is done, and I can just throw it in the back ponytail because I'm not going back to the store to get no hair. But I'm just going to take my latch hook, place it under the braid, place the loop on the crochet needle, close it, pull it through. Dang, and I made it kind of too tight, which I don't even know how I did that because I try to make sure I didn't do it tight this time. But and then once I do that, I'm going to make sure that I pull all of the hair through. So you make sure you get that. Once you got all the hair pulled through, then you can kind of tighten it. So there we go. And I'm just gonna keep at this. Next one, under there, place it on the latch hook, close it, pull it through. Then I like to place the hair on the end of the latch hook, close it, pull it through. And there we go. There we go. So I want my hair to lay flat. So I'm going to insert it from the left so it can lay as flat as possible. Because I noticed when I insert it from the right, it doesn't lay quite as flat as I would like it to. So I did that. I'm going to place the end of the hair on there, close it, and then I'm just going to pull it through. And there we go. Okay, kids are home. It's a Saturday. And now we got it laying flat. So I had to redo the other one because it was not laying flat. So I'm going to insert it from the left, right under there like so. Place it, close it, pull it through. Yo, I was holding my breath because I'm like, is this gonna hurt? And then I place the end of the hair, pull it through. And it really is that simple. Now I've done the crochet method with passion twist, or no, spring twist. And I have a video like that on my channel where I've done the rubber band method with crochet braids, but you gotta make sure those rubber bands aren't tight. It could be done if you can't braid, but you just gotta make sure that you're looking out for your own hair. So that is what we're working with over there. So now I'm going to show you guys this one more time. I'm going to see, I'm so used to inserting it from that other way. Kids are home. It's a Saturday. Ooh, hold up. Okay. Girl, why is she so held? Why is she so held?
And when you dance to me, sing it on a big beat. Like a jump on a beat, it's your tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. The red is growing on me. Like, I'm used to my brown hair color. I haven't tried like a red in a long time. So yeah, this is what the red looks like up close. It's very pretty. I'm just not so sure it looks good on me, on my complexion. But yeah, you guys, this is what the finished look looks like. This is what we're working with over here. And y'all, this is how much hair I have left. I have this left, and then I have one whole pack left. This has never happened. So I was trying to see, like, do I have spaces that I can add? And I do have a couple spaces that I can add some hair. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it today, but I do have some spaces where I can add the hair in the back. But yeah, you guys, I like this. I like this a lot. The length is 22 inches, and this is where it comes, and then this is where it looks like. So yeah, we got some length. I don't know. I want to try these in the summer, but I want to try them in a different color. And yeah, I like these. Very, very nice. The hair is super soft. Easy to install. However, make sure that you do not braid your hair tight, because my hair hurts in certain spots, and my braids aren't even tight. But when you go, like for me, when I go to pull these rows into, you know, my little connecting method that I do in the back, the front ones, they get pulled the most. So try not to do the front ones that tight. I got a little knot here. Okay, there we go. Try not to do the front ones that tight, because I was chewing some gum and I had to spit it out because I'm like, ouch. But yeah. All right, you guys, if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. If I can find a link to this hair, I'll have the hair link below as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.